Welcome to Best Social Teacher. Today we have discussed Indian history freedom struggle from 1885 to 1947. First question is, who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? Options: A. Dadabhai Nauroji, B. Yeo Hyun, C. Surendranath Banerjee, D. W.C. Banerjee. Correct answer is Yeo Hyun. Second question is, the first session of the Indian National Congress was held in options: A. Calcutta, option B. Madras, C. Bombay, D. Delhi. Correct answer is C. Bombay. Next question. Who presided over the first session of the Indian National Congress in 1885? Options: A. Dadabhai Nauroji, B. W.C. Banerjee, C. Surendranath Banerjee, D. Yeo Hyun. So correct answer is W.C. Banerjee. So how many questions you have got right answers? Please comment below. Next question is, the Indian National Congress was formed in 1885 under the guidance of options: A. Lord Ripon, option B. Lord Curzon, C. Lord Lytton, D. Lord Dufferin. So the correct option is D. Lord Dufferin. Next question is, who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Options: A. Gopalakrishna Gokhale, B. Dadabhai Nauroji, C. Balagangadhar Tilak, D. Surendranath Banerjee. The right answer is B. Dadabhai Nauroji. Sixth question. The safety valve theory is associated with the formation of. Correct options: A is Swadeshi movement, B. Muslim League, C. Indian National Congress, D. Home Rule movement. The correct option is C. Indian National Congress. Next question is, the objective of early Indian National Congress leaders was. Options: A. Complete independence, B. Immediate British withdrawal, C. Constitutional and administrative reforms, D. Armed revolution. The right answer is C. Constitutional and administrative reforms. Next, eighth question. Who wrote the book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Options are: A. R.C. Dutt, B. Dadabhai Nauroji, C. Gopalakrishna Gokhale, D. Balagangadhar Tilak. So the correct option is D. Dadabhai Nauroji. Next question is, the term drain of wealth was first used by. Options: A. Gopalakrishna Gokhale, B. Balagangadhar Tilak, C. Dadabhai Nauroji, D. Mahatma Gandhi. The right answer is C. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question: who among the following was not associated with the moderate phase of the INC? Options is: A. Gopalakrishna Gokhale, Balagangadhar Tilak, C. Dadabhai Nauroji, D. Firoz Shah Mehta. So the correct option is B. Balagangadhar Tilak. So Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naoroji, Firoz Shah Mehta. These three persons are moderates. Balagangadhar Tilak only extremists. Question is, the partition of Bengal took place in options are A 1885, B 1890, C 1905, D 1911. So the right answer is C 1905. Who was the Viceroy of India when Bengal was partitioned in 1905? Options A. Lord Lytton, option B. Lord Curzon, Lord Ripon, D. Lord Dufferin. So the right answer is Lord Curzon. Viceroy period, the Bengal partitioned in 1905, East Bengal and West Bengal. Next question is, who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it? So options A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Balagangadhar Tilak, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Bipin Chandra Pal. So the correct answer is B. Balagangadhar Tilak. Next question is, who among the following was not a part of the Lal Bal Pal trio? So the correct options A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Balagangadhar Tilak, C. Bipin Chandra Pal, Gopala Krishna Gokhale. So the correct right answer is D. Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Bal Lal Pal, three persons, extremists, only Gopala Krishna Gokhale is moderate. Next question is, the concept of passive resistance was first introduced in India by options A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. Arvind Ghosh, D. Balagangadhar Tilak. The right answer is C. Arvind Ghosh. Next question, the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament was options A. Ambedkar, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Dadabhai Naoroji, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. So the right answer is C. Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question. The extremist phase of INC was led by options A. Gopalakrishna Gokhale, B. Dadabhai Naoroji, C. Lal Bal Pal, D. AOQ. The right answer is Lal Bal Pal. Which of the following leaders was associated with the Servants of India Society? Options A. Lala Lajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Balagangadhar Tilak, C. D option Bipin Chandra Pal. So the right answer, the correct option is B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Next question. The Indian Councils Act of 1892 was significant because options A. It introduced direct elections. It allowed Indian representation in legislative councils. It granted complete independence. It abolished the Zamindari system. So the correct answer is B. It allowed Indian representation in legislative councils. Next question. The partition of Bengal came into effect on options A 15th August 1905, 16th October 1905, C option 22nd October 1906, D option 1st January 1900. The right answer is B 16th October 1905. Next question is, who was the Viceroy of India when the partition of Bengal was announced? Options: A. Lord Ripon, B. Lord Curzon, C. Lord Minto, D. Lord Hardinge. The right answer is B. Lord Curzon. Next question is, what was the official reason given by the British for partitioning Bengal? Options: A. To curb nationalist movements, B. To divide Hindus and Muslims, to improve administrative efficiency, to promote economic growth. The right answer is to improve administrative efficiency. The next question is, which of the following reasons were created as a result of the partition of Bengal? Options: A. East Bengal and West Bengal, B. North Bengal and South Bengal, C. Hindu Bengal and Muslim Bengal, D. Bengal and Assam. So the right answer is East Bengal and West Bengal. Next question is, who was one of the first leaders to protest against the partition of Bengal? Options: A. Bal Tilak, B. Bipin Chandra Pal, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Sardar Patel. So the correct answer is B. Bipin Chandra Pal. B option, that is the right answer. Next question. The British government annulled the partition of Bengal in options 1911, options B 1915, C 1919, D 1922. The correct answer is 1911. Which British viceroy reversed the partition of Bengal? Options: A. Lord Curzon, B. Lord Minto, C. Lord Hardinge, D. Lord Chelmsford. The right answer is C. Lord Hardinge. Next question. Where was the capital of India shifted after the partition of Bengal was annulled in 1911? Options: A. Bombay, B. Madras, C. Delhi, D. Calcutta. So the correct option is C. Delhi. Next question. The Swadeshi movement was launched to oppose options: A. Dawlat Act, B. Simon Commission, C. The partition of Bengal, D. The Montague-Chelmsford reforms. The right answer is the partition of Bengal. Next question is, who was one of the prominent leaders of the Swadeshi movement? Options: A. Dadabhai Nauroji, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Bal Tilak, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. So the correct option is C. Bal Tilak. Next question. The Swadeshi movement encouraged options: A. Promotion of foreign goods, B. Adoption of Western culture, C. Boycott of British goods, D. Loyalty to the British government. Correct option is boycott of British goods. The slogan Boycott and Swadeshi was first given during A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Civil disobedience movement, C. Swadeshi movement, D. Quit India movement. So the correct answer is C. Swadeshi movement. Newspaper was associated with the Swadeshi movement. Options: A. Kesari, B. The Hindu, C. The Indian Mirror, D. The Times of India. The correct answer is Kesari. Kesari is a paper is published by Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Next question is, who was one of the key leaders in the Home Rule movement 1916, which followed the Swadeshi movement? Options A. Annie Besant, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Lala Lajpat Rai. The correct option is Annie Besant. Next question, which of the following acts imposed strict measures to suppress revolutionary activities after the Swadeshi movement? Options A. Rowlatt Act, B. Montague-Chelmsford Reforms, C. Government of India Act 1919, Gilbert Bill. The correct options is the Rowlatt Act 1919. Question is, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred as a result of protests against which law? Options A. Government of India Act, option B. Simon Commission Report, option C. Rowlatt Act, option D. Indian Council Act. The correct answer is Rowlatt Act. Next question is, which famous book did Rabindranath Tagore renounce his knighthood in protest of? Options A. Gora, B. Gitanjali, C. The Home and the World, D. Nationalism. The correct option is Gitanjali. Next question, which revolutionary organization was active during the Swadeshi movement? Options A. Anushilhan Samiti, B. Gadar Party, C. Indian National Army, D. Azad Hindu Fauj. The correct option is B. Anushilhan Samiti. Next question, the Lucknow Pact was signed between options A. Indian National Congress and British government, INC and Muslim League, INC and Congress, British government and Muslim League. So the correct answer is Indian National Congress and Muslim League. Next question is, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa in option C 1913, B 1915, C 1917, option D 1919. So the correct option is 1915. Question is, which was Gandhi's first major movement in India? Options A. Kheda Satyagraha, B. Champaran Satyagraha, C. Non-cooperation movement, D. Civil disobedience movement. Correct option is Champaran Satyagraha was the first movement in India. Next question is, the Rowlatt Act was passed to options promote self-rule in India, B. Curb nationalist movements, C. Establish a new taxation system, D. Introduce reservation in government jobs. The correct option, the correct answer is C. Curb nationalist movement. Question, who was responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Options Lord Curzon, sorry, 43 question. The non-cooperation movement was launched in options A 1919, B 1990, C 1922, D. 1925. The correct answer is 1920. Next question. The non-cooperation movement was withdrawn because of options A. Gandhiji arrest, B. Chauri Chaura incident, C. British repression, D. Lack of public support. The correct answer is Chauri Chaura incident in Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh state. Previously, 22 policemen dead in this event. Next, next question is the Swaraj Party was formed by options A. Jawaharlal Nehru and Gandhi, B. Subhash Chandra Bose and Sardar Patel, C. Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das, Lala Lajpat Rai and Balagangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. Next question: the Simon Commission was sent to India in options A. 1925, B. 27, C. 1928, D. 1930. The correct option is 1927. Question is the civil disobedience movement was started with options non-payment of taxes, boycott of foreign goods, C. Dandi March, D. Gandhi Irwin Pact. The correct answer is the Dandi March. Next question is the Dandi March started on options 1930 March 12, B. 6th April 1930, C. 15th August 1930, D. 2 October 1930. The correct answer is 12th March 1930. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in 1929, 1930, 1931, 1932. The answer is C. 1931. Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Next question is the Quit India movement was also known as options A. Civil disobedience, August Revolution, White Revolution, Second Non-Cooperation Movement. The correct answer is August Revolution. Option B. Next question. The Quit India movement was launched after the Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, the Cripps Mission failure, the Government of India Act, the Simon Commission report. The correct answer is the Cripps Mission failure. Next question. The slogan "Do or Die" was given by options Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh. So the correct option is Mahatma Gandhi. C option. This slogan is given in the movement of Quit India movement. Next question. Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army in 1940, 42, 43, 45. Correct option is 1943. C option. Next question. The INA slogan "Give me blood and I will give you freedom" was given by Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Patel. The right answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Option C. The cabinet mission arrived in India in options 1942, 1945, 1946, 1947. The correct option is 1946. Option C. Next question. The first Indian to become Governor General of Independent India was option C. Rajagopalachari, Rajendra Prasad, Lord Mountbatten, Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Options A. Next question is the Indian Independence Act was passed on options 3rd June 1947, B. 15th August 1947, 18th July 1947, C. 26th January 1950. The correct answer is 18th July 1947. The Independence Act was passed. This act based India was divided India and Pakistan. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. How many questions you have right answer? If you have got right answer, please comment below section.